Speak out for justice. Speak out when you don't know what to do. All you gotta do is speak out. See that coming around as you shut your mouth. Guess what's on the face roads? You're supposed to talk to nobody. Don't let the fake you. Don't let the shame stop you. Just like friends, stick out now. Yeah. Speak out for freedom. Speak out for justice. Speak out when you don't know what to do. All you gotta do is speak out. Yeah.
Hello, viewers. You're welcome to Speak Out, your number one platform on social media. Today's topic promises to be exciting, interactive, educating all in one. We are talking about common mistakes to avoid when buying a real property. Keep liking, keep sharing, invite your family, your loved ones, and different people in your life. It's another speaker session. And today's topic promises to be exciting, interactive, educative, all in one.
Speak out for justice. Speak out when you don't know what to do.
Hello, viewers. You're welcome to Speak Out, your number one platform on social media. Today's topic promises to be exciting, interactive, educating. We are talking about the common mistakes to avoid when buying a real property. By real property, we mean immovable properties. We mean landed properties. We're talking about real properties. We're talking about what to do and what not to do. We discovered that this is one area of law where people want to sideline professionals. When it comes to other areas, they engage professionals. When it comes to real estate, they will tell you that this is what I think I know what to do. Once I buy, I start building. And once I'm there, nobody can come and take it away from me. And they end up making some kind of mistakes, when doing their investigations and when they're buying property. The first thing to do is your title verification. You have to find out if the person has title. Does he or she has title? Does she have what she's selling? You know, you cannot give what you don't have. The law is that you cannot put something or nothing, it will fall. So if you don't have title, you cannot give me title. So you need to verify the title. And how do you do this? You have to engage professionals to conduct proper due diligence on the title. Whatever you have gotten the documents, and you look around the property, you ask questions in the area, you find out who has what, who doesn't have what, try to find out from people living around the particular place. You know, you need to take into consideration before signing the dotted lines. You conduct due diligence to confirm the ownership status, to know if the person that is selling to you has title, and also to know what kind of title that he has. Does he have good title? Does he have good title to sell? That's one of the things. Then, when you've done that, you have to talk about the property documentation. But before that, you also have to test if, for instance, the property has a building on it, and you are doing your negotiation process. You are talking about the building also. You have to find out if that building is structurally sound. Is it fit for habitation? Does it have the necessary permits by the authorities? Does it have the requisite permits for required by buildings in the locality where you want to buy. Then you now go to, you pick, another thing you do is to, if it doesn't, for instance, if you are not too sure, or maybe it's a virgin land or it doesn't have title, you during the verification stage, if it has title, maybe you have a seal or you have a consent, you have to conduct your search at the land registry to find out. You also conduct if there are maybe the people selling to you uh, the the administrators or you have to conduct yourself and probate to find out the able to verify if they are authentic. You have to conduct them at the probate. You have to check also if the particular title, if it has a pending litigation, you have to conduct at the court registry within that locality where the land is to find out if there are pending litigation on that property. Also, you now get to you have to also, if you have to buy land for millions, you have to also get your surveyor to pick the coordinates. If it's a virgin land, if it's not registered, get your surveyor to pick the coordinate of that place and track the land. They'll be able to tell you if the land is free from encumbrance, if the land is free from government acquisition, whether it is a committed land, whether it's a land that is subject to ratification. So your surveyor should be able to tell you this. So it will now form your decision whether to go to continue or to back out of the transaction. Then when you now come to the documentation proper, you have to engage the right professional, legal professional to prepare the deed of assignment. And like I tell you, when I conduct my search or look through documents and I see vendor purchaser, I'm a bit skeptical because they're not able to trace title. And when it comes to title, you should know that the C of O is not a good root of title. The C of O is like a good icing to a good cake. So if the cake is bad, the icing, no matter how good it is worthless. So you should be able to trace your title. If, for instance, A just have a C of O, but a very bad title, you cannot trace how A got the title. But B doesn't have a C of O, but B, you could trace how B got for the family. You see that B, this title is stronger in law. So that is, you get to the documentation rights, you sign the documents, the dotted lines and everything. Before you sign it, you the things that you need to know. But when the lawyer prepares the document, please don't charge fees for preparing legal documents. Don't charge your lawyer so that you not make your lawyer to be on the wrong side of the law. Because one of the reasons why we make a lot of mistakes when acquiring property, because we want to change professionals, we want to sideline them, we want to circumvent them, you now end up falling to the hands of crooks, of scammers, and you now buy potential litigation, a property that will be giving you problem every day. So you do your survey. So the survey is for you to know the boundaries of the land, to determine the exact dimensions of the land, the boundaries of the land. You not know whether or not your land is free when you do your survey. I talked about getting your engineers to ascertain if it's a property, a building on it. You have to get your engineers to ascertain if that particular building is structurally sound, if it is fit for habitation. Get your surveyors to ascertain them. I've talked about registration. So person locally, because I've had a client tell me your business is just a prepare document. So you should also know about registration. One, it gives you priority. If A bought that property, and it kind of protects you against dubious landowners, that dubious sellers. So if you register your document, it protects you. If, for instance, you bought your property, you are A bought his property in 2007, and B bought same in 2015, but B went ahead and registered. In law, B's title is stronger. You understand? So when there are competing interests, the first in time prevails. The first in time is stronger in law. So it is good when you buy your property, register it. And also, if you want to transfer, we should also know what the person is selling, because you cannot give what you do not have. If you don't have title, if you have not registered your title, you don't have anything to give to pass on to another buyer. So that's it. Then another thing, okay, there's a case in Uzoma and Okeke where the court held that it has the long-settled law that priority of registered instruments is determined not by the date the instrument is made, but by the date of registration. So where there are two competing instruments which have been registered, each take effect as against the other from the date of registration. The one executed earlier loses its priority if it was registered later. So that's the law. That law is in Uzoma and Okeke. In 2023 case, Uzoma and Okeke. So you've done that. And another thing you do, obtain your necessary permits and approvals for the building. It will also help you to be free, so that you won't be having issues with the government by the time you start building. You do a lot of things. So in all this, I discovered that the reason why people fall into this common error is because they avoid professionals. They don't patronize professionals. If you don't know, or you must have heard that a lot of persons who prepare legal documents are being prosecuted. Yes, a lot of them are prosecuted by the task force of the NPA. They are prosecuted. They are finding it hot this time around. So don't think you want to shortchange your lawyer because you don't want to pay the fees. You now engage the services of those who don't know the I's to dot and the T's to cross. You now engage them, and they'll prepare what will not hold water, what doesn't have any weight. That when there's a litigation, by the time the judge looks at your document, he's finding it hard to construe the intent of your document, the intent of the parties. So please patronize the right professionals when it comes to documentation. Do carry everybody along. Carry your engineers, carry your surveyor, carry your lawyers along from start to the finish, and you will not make common mistake, common errors. You will not buy potential litigation when it comes to property acquisition. With this, we want to say thank you to our online viewers. Thank you for watching this platform. We appreciate your feedback. We appreciate your engagement. And I want to say thank you so much. Peradventure, you want to sponsor us and speak out. We love what we do. You can send us a DM. You can send us a chat. You can send us an email. You can send us an email at shimek49@yahoo.com. You can also reach us on other platforms for sponsorship on this for sponsorship for this program. Until we come your way next time, I remain your host. Margaret Ilo, on this platform. I remain your host. Thank you so much for coming online. Bye for now.